guys, welcome back to the Smoky Mountains and the Tail of the Dragon. This is day one of our car events for the next 2 or 3 days here sort of in the Robbinsville, North Carolina and Bryson City area. Right now I'm on my way to the first car event. We're going to be doing a car meet at the Fontana Resort, which is a well-known resort in these parts where a lot of car shows happen. You know, a lot of car groups get together and sort of start or finish their rallies there. We're going to be meeting up with whoever's decided to come and join us. Could be 2 people, could be 20, we really don't know. At the very least, there's myself, Jay Reed, and Alberto, 3 YouTubers, 3 Porsche nuts, and in the 24 hours we've been here so far, we've had a lot of fun. We've already driven the Tail of the Dragon one way, and then the whatever highway, this is the 28th, the Fontana Road, from Deals Gap at the start of the Tail of the Dragon, or the end, depending on which way you came from, all the way over to Bryson City, and the road is equally challenging and equally fun. I'm now driving that. I'm sort of 10-15 minutes behind Jay and Alberto, headed to the Fontana Resort, and it's amazing. It's just so much fun. Got the sports exhaust on, got Soul Performance kicking in the background. Just can't say enough about that exhaust, man. Still my favorite thing about the car. But yeah, really excited to be back. I know at least Michael Wooten, who's Cycle Michael, and a couple of numbers on Instagram. He and his silver 996 with the Martini livery. He's going to be here. There should be a nice sort of collection of people here, I think. Not too many that it's going to be, you know, a really difficult event to manage. Just enough to have some laughs, have a decent drive at a decent pace. Today we're doing the Tail of the Dragon and back. Tomorrow we're doing the Cherahalla, I think that's how you pronounce it, Skyway, which is about 60 miles one way. Some beautiful roads through the mountains, higher elevations than the Tail. Saturday night we're doing a social in Bryson City at a barbecue joint, which is really cool kind of outdoors sort of place. And then Sunday, the third and final car meet, we're going around a couple of the lakes, the Fontana Dam being one. I'm not sure what the name of the other. It might actually be the Cherahalla Lake. I need to double check. But anyway, we're here to drive, so let's get driving.
Get this show on the road.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Day one of my return trip to the Tail of the Dragon. It is about 6:15 a.m.-ish. The 911's behind me, which you can't quite see because it's still dark. Okay, you can kind of see. I'm meeting my friend Alberto, who's driven in from Portland, Oregon over the last 3 days at the local coffee shop, and then we're headed down to Evansville, Indiana, and then tomorrow we'll make it to the cabin in Bryson City and spend the weekend driving on the road. So let's get there.
sound right, boy. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big it sound right, boy. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big
Hey guys, let's go.
it sound right, boy. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big sound good.
It sound right, boy.
Hey guys, so back on the Dragon. Here we go. We've just driven from Deals Gap over to the far side, and had a little break by the lake, and now we're driving back the other way along the Dragon, back to Deals Gap, where you've got to pull over and you got to go and buy some tourist crap. I've got some stickers to buy. I've got some t-shirts to buy, all that good stuff. And then we're gonna get some lunch, and then who knows what's gonna happen. We're gonna just keep driving. What a great day. A couple of surprises today on the Dragon. For what is a Friday afternoon, really wasn't very busy at all. Got stuck behind a bike for maybe a quarter of a mile, and that biker pulled over for us. But apart from that, we just had the entire Dragon to ourselves. And it's just, it's gorgeous. The weather's perfect, blue skies, hardly any wind, and fun like this. Now, actually, for the first time, I've seen quite a few police cars out. It looks like somebody came off a bike. Looks like somebody came off a bike, and the cops are there now, sort of with speed cameras. Poor guy was laid up on his back with his head sort of like on a rolled up jacket or his helmet or whatever. We've seen a couple of ambulances come by and pick him up. Considering the way the guys were all standing around, I don't think he was injured, but stuff happens. These roads, as cool as they are to drive, they are a little bit treacherous as well. Thank God it's not raining. Anyway, more of the Dragon, and 3 more days of this, man. So excited to be here. You guys, this is what the entire weekend has been like. Alberto and I just standing around waiting for Jay. He's got to check his news. He's got to check the lottery. What are you doing now?
He really tells us he's doing something important.
This is James, the Tail of the Dragon, out. Good job, guys. You're looking, yeah, Jay, just like when you model for Ralph Lauren.
Oh,
Morning, chaps. How are we?
We're excellent. How are we?
Good. Gearing up.
Gearing up.
How are you doing, Alberto?
I'm good. I'm good. Much better than yesterday. Much more awake.
Good lad. That's a sharp t-shirt as well, I might add.
Yeah, you like the flat six?
It's very good.
Well, I do have the fastest car here.
Where did you get it from?
I think I got it from Auto Amateur.
That's right.
Auto Amateur. Auto Beginner. That's
Oi.
Auto Beginner.
I'll have one of your t-shirts, son. Morning.
Morning.
You have a good trip, Jay?
Marvelous.
Good
Great
lad.
fun.
Give us a rev. Very nice. You have a good trip, Alberto?
I've had an amazing trip.
Good lad.
Didn't know what I was getting into with you two clowns, and I found two people that are worse than me. Love it. Love it.
Nice. Well guys, thanks for checking out another Auto Amateur video. When I get home, I've got a couple of mods that I'm going to be working on. My second generation 991 bumper and tail lights are ready to go. The bumper's been painted and my Mosh Hammer Ducktail Evo spoiler has also been painted and is ready for collection. Through one combination of circumstances or another, it's taken longer than I had hoped to get both of those things in and painted and, you know, ready to go, but they're ready to get installed. Hopefully going to get a couple more car meets in before fall disappears and the winter approaches in Minnesota. And, you know, basically once you're into October, winter can arrive essentially any day, so time is precious. But I've got, you know, a day and a half's worth of driving in front of me, so a lot of roads still left to slay. I'm going to probably stay over in St. Louis, Missouri tonight, and then back over to Minnesota for the beginning of the week. It's been really cool here. I want to give a massive shout out to Jay Reed for helping me organize this and for being his usual funny self and making the weekend really entertainable, enjoyable for everybody. Big shout out to my new friends that have driven from around the country. Alberto, of course, probably came the furthest, and you should check out his Instagram, Alberto B1, and YouTube by the same name. He's starting to put out quite a lot of content and getting into it, and he's taken a bunch of great footage here from the weekend. So thank you, Alberto, for coming all the way over from Portland and now going back. That's going to be like a 6,000 or 7,000 mile round trip, which is just amazing. Michael and wife Rachel down in Mississippi. Adam from the Atlanta area, I think Adam's in, and Richie down from Louisiana, Banesh, and a couple of other folks from Connecticut. Some new local folks. It's just been absolutely fantastic. I'm sure there are a couple of names I'm forgetting, but it's been an absolute blast. So I hope you enjoyed the video. More content coming soon. And now it's time for a little bit more of the Dragon, ever so cautiously.